So today was actually a really quiet day for crypto and the market to trade the strategy that I was doing. And I had a lot of time to reflect to myself. Just over the past week of my trades, my thought processes, and what I was doing well and not well. And I know at the start I made the challenge on myself to say, okay, I'm going to make $700 as a challenge for myself so that I can go buy the course. But then I was having a bit of a reflection and thinking to myself, why did I even make that challenge in the first place? Because yes, whilst it does sound good on paper, right, I made the money to buy the course, and because the stuff he teaches for free actually helps you make money. But then I realized there are some intricacies and a lot of things that I don't know about the world of trading. And it's not like I don't have $700 in the bank to spend right now. Why am I wasting my time on doing this challenge for the sake of it when I could just buy the course and actually get the proper content and knowledge that I need to upskill myself to make even more money? So that's why today I've decided, screw it. I'm just going to buy the course because that's the point of the course. If my goal today is to make $10,000 a month just from trading, I might be able to do that without a course. I think there's definitely people out there that's done it, but they may have taken 2, 3 years. But with the course, it's supposed to just shrink all the time back because you're taking the knowledge and experience that someone else has done, and they've condensed their knowledge into this course that you buy for a price. And so instead of taking 2, 3 years to reach that $10,000 a month, I can essentially make it in 6 months, 1 year, who knows? So that's why I thought to myself, okay, there's no real reason why I shouldn't get the course. So I've bought it and I'm just going to be learning from it today. I'm still going to keep these videos up. I might not trade every single day, especially for the next week, just because I want to focus myself on learning how to read price action, learning trends, reversals, getting the supply and demand zones correct. So I really want to make sure that knowledge is imprinted in my head. So instead of all trading videos, I also want to share with you guys what I've learned through the course. I don't have a course, I just want to give you guys value of what I've learned, and hopefully you guys can take a bit out of that. All right, so that's going to be it for today. I don't really see any other great opportunities to trade, so I'm going to leave it at that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.